Well, take a look at your screen right now. This is what the Centennial Trail near Upriver Park looks like right now.
Well, the city of Spokane is saying that spring runoff is causing the river to rise and it is flooding nearby trails. KREM 2's Janelle Finch is giving us a closer look now at what trail goers are trying to navigate.
The Spokane River is rising and people can see it.
It's getting pretty high. It's getting up higher every day, it looks like.
Right now, the Spokane River is spilling onto parts of the Centennial Trail. This water may only be just a few inches deep, but don't be fooled. This isn't something you want to play in. Most trail goers say the current state of flooding doesn't faze them, but Wayne Lucas isn't taking the situation lightly.
We walk around it, stay out of it. Yeah, you don't fool around water.
Norman Bonecamp watches the river from his home every day. He says nature's beauty overshadows the minor inconvenience of water on the trail.
Glad I live in this condo so we can watch the river. We really enjoy it. It's different every day.
Richard Finley agrees with Bonecamp. He says even out of place, the river is beautiful.
Walk this trail every day. That's what I was doing right now. And this is the first day that I had to go around because of the water. I walk it every day. It's a beautiful place here.
Although it may be pretty, the city of Spokane says you should be cautious around the river as levels continue to fluctuate. The city of Spokane has closed off several portions of the trail that are currently underwater for the safety of trail goers. In Spokane, Janelle Finch, KREM 2 News.